All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So disinterested and uninterested. So disinterested, when you don't want to know something in the first place. I didn't want to hear the story. I'm disinterested in what you've got to say. I'm disinterested in what you've got to say. Yeah, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I'm disinterested. I'm disinterested. No, thank you. Yeah. He was always disinterested in art. He never wanted to know about art. Yeah, disinterested. Yeah. How cool is that? They've been disinterested in science for a long time. He is disinterested in what the information has to say. Just not interested. No, thank you. Yeah. But uninterested is when you don't want to know any more about something. You were interested, but now you're uninterested. I was interested, but now I'm uninterested. Yeah, I don't want to know any more. I have spent a lot of time on this, but now I'm uninterested. Yeah, no more. No, thank you. Yeah, no more. No, thank you. Yeah. She slowly became uninterested in him. Just over time, less and less interest. Then suddenly one day, she was uninterested. She was uninterested. Yeah. That was the moment she started to be uninterested. That was it. Interest was here, and then suddenly less and less interest over time. We can find the exact date and time when she became uninterested and just didn't care anymore. Yeah, no thank you. Yeah, no thank you. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So disinterested, I'm not interested to start. And uninterested, not anymore. Not interested to start. And not interested anymore. Yeah, no thank you. Yeah. So, can you use disinterested and uninterested in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.